Hi friends! Today, I've got a story with a big lesson for anyone who tells lies. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a young shepherd boy. Every day, he would take his flock of sheep up the hill to graze. The sun would shine, birds would sing, and everything was calm. But the boy was bored. There was no excitement in watching sheep. He wanted attention, fun, and something to break the silence. So, one day, he had a naughty idea. He ran toward the village, screaming loudly, "Help!
Help! Help! Help me!
Help!
Help!
A wolf is attacking my sheep!" The villagers dropped everything and rushed up the hill. But when they got there was no wolf, just laughing sheep and a smiling boy. The villagers were angry, but the boy laughed and laughed. "It was just a joke," he said. "I wanted to see you run." The villagers warned him, "Don't lie again. We may not believe you next time." But the boy didn't listen. He thought it was funny. A few days later, he did it again. "Wolf! Wolf!" he shouted. "Please help me." Once more, the villagers came running. And once again, no wolf. Just laughter from the mischievous shepherd. This time, the villagers were furious. "You waste our time," they shouted. "We won't be fooled again." The boy laughed even harder.
This is your last chance.
"You're
If
so
you lie
easy
again,
to trick."
we won't come to help you anymore.
But the very next morning, as the sun rose, a real wolf crept out of the forest toward the flock. The sheep began to panic and run. The boy jumped up in fear and screamed, "Help! A real wolf! Please help me!"
Help! Help! Help me! Help! He's lying
He
again.
cried louder than ever before, but no one came. The villagers heard him, but they ignored his cries. The wolf attacked the sheep and scattered the flock. The boy sat alone on the hill and cried. His lies had cost him dearly. The little shepherd, terrified and hopeless, walked slowly toward the village with his head hanging low. The wolves had devoured everything, even the ants. When he finally reached the village, he looked at the people with tearful eyes and said, "Please forgive me.
Returns to its shepherd."
I lied to you, and now I've paid the price for it." The shepherd boy made a heartfelt promise never to tell lies again. The villagers gently smiled and said, "As long as you stay true to your word, we'll always be here to support you." From that day forward, the young boy joyfully led his sheep to the fields. And
Dear kids, remember, if you lie too often, no one will believe you even when you tell the truth. Lies destroy trust. Let's always be honest and trustworthy. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something from it. If you want to hear more fun and educational stories, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel MH Afghan. See you next time.